afternoon, everyone. I'm Twinkle Rosa Lavado.
I'm Marvin Correa.
I'm Kelvin Valderrama.
I'm Luis Luisan.
And now we do the task of executing NYSER.
Materials needed. Room boys cart complete with stock with supplies and amenities. Step 1. Roll the room boys cart complete with the supplies toward the guest room. Place the cart in front of the door. Step 2. Activate the doorbell or knock gently. Give few seconds in between knocks. Step 3. Hang the makeup sign. Hang it from the doorknob. Step 4. Turn down the bed. Remove the cover and place it inside the closet. Step 4. Open the blanket and fold the right corner in the triangular position as shown above.
Step 5. Draw the curtain. Step 6. Refill the jug.
Step 7. Replenish the towel.
Check the garbage can. See if there is then dispose. Next, clean the ashtray.
Step 10. Wash shoes, drinking glasses. Wash with soap and water and wipe with dry cloth. Step 11. Check the bathroom.
Step 12. Turn up the lights. but live one life. Thank you.